back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Jackson Utsi gets off to the lead. McQuaid second. Jeremy Utsi third. Lyle Barnes in fourth. Utsi's back like the heat race, father and son. Son leading again. Jackson Utsi in the lead. Jeremy Utsi. Lyle Barnes sits third. McQuaid hangs on fourth. Sterner's fifth. Traxler sixth. Garlock seventh. Sterner moving into fourth. Top three have broken away from the rest of the pack. Jackson Utsi all by himself. Jeremy, caution is out. Caution's out. 12 laps to go. Jackson Utsi in the lead. Jeremy is in second. They're off there. Jackson Utsi picks up where he left off. Jeremy rides in second. Lyle Barnes third. Good battle for second there as Barnes hanging with Jeremy Utsi. Halfway. Jackson still holds about a half a second lead. Top three have broke away again. Caution there in turn two. The 51 gets spun around. Justin Butcher finds himself looped around. They're off. Once again, Jackson takes off. second, Barnes third. Kevin Bard trying to come up in the back. At 24. Top three's right there. Could get interesting here the last couple laps. Three wide in here. See if they can make it stick. They do. Lyle Barnes in that 64 trying everything he can to get around Jeremy Utsi. Just can't quite get it. Jackson Utsi says, "You guys fight for second. I'll keep the lead." William Sterner running good in fourth. And Ronnie Garlock in fifth. Kevin Bard finds his way up to sixth, but he's running out of time with 3 laps to go. Charlie Stallman sits in seventh. White flag. It's been all Jackson Utsi, Jeremy Utsi, and Lyle Barnes, 1, 2, and 3. William Sterner, Ronnie Garlock to third, Kevin Bard, Charlie Stallman. Checkered flags for Jackson Utsi. Jeremy Utsi will finish second, Lyle Barnes third.